I'm here with a group from Australia that brought a car called Sexual Steve over. So they just, what's the idea behind the car?
Okay, so Sexual Steve is an SS70 Chevelle. So SS, Sexual Steve. Started out as a 396 4-speed SS, and Harry found it in a field. This is Harry. Harry found it in a field and raced it the first year in drag week in 2015 and ran consistent 14.0s, minus the differential blow-ups, the transmission blow-ups, at just under 100 miles an hour. When he decided to step up the amp, we built a twin-turbo 540 cube big block in Australia, hydraulic roller, twin 74mm ball-warner turbos. I think it made 1375 on 18 pounds of boost on Maniacs dyno in Australia. They shipped it over here in 2016, built the car in a week, and did drag week last year. I think they got the best Aussie average of ETs over all the tracks that year. We've come back this year. It's been minis up, a set of 315s fitted. The turbo's been lowered 5 inches to make it a bit safer for everybody. And I think we ran a best of 874, is that right?
874?
874, 158 miles an hour.
Nice.
We've had some troubles with pulley run out, the spit belts to the alternator and water pump. Took a little bit to get our head around that. We found some nice people at Cordova, found a friend with a lathe and a couple other things at a little workshop at his house, so we machined up a bush for the lower pulley to get it running true to made the bush and went inside the crank trigger. Stopped the belt issues, but we've had some issues with blowing intake pipes off and electrical issues. Not to mention limited runs, but you know, we've come out with an average of, what was the average? 894, I think.
Nice.
An average of 894, so I think we've gone all right this year and step it up again next year.
Right. So the car stays here, or does it come back to Australia?
The car stays in Kansas.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then you guys go home, and then you'll be back next year?
We'll definitely be back
That's
next year.
awesome.
Maybe with the 2 cars, and we'll see how we go.
Go to Facebook, Aussie Chevelle 217, and you'll see it all there.
Okay, perfect. Thanks a lot, man.
No worries.
Yeah.
Nice
Cheers. Hey, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, because you never know what you're going to see next week on Deboss Garage. If you like what you see, there's a lot of stuff happening to help support the channel. And remember, if you're not filthy, you're not rich.